Pembroke Hall man gone missing. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 28-year-old Daniel McCreek of Pembroke Hall, Kingston 20, has been missing since Thursday, May the 12th. He is of dark complexion, medium build, and about 170 centimeters tall, or 5 feet 7 inches tall. Reports from the Duane Park Police are that Mr. Moncrief was last seen at home. His mode of dress at the time he went missing is unknown. He has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Daniel Moncrief is being asked to contact the Duane Park Police at 876-933-4280, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.